up, beautiful people, and welcome back to HERSTYLEZ TV. I'm back with another video. So I'm doing a natural updo with crochet at the top. So if you've seen one of my videos before, you know I like to section off the hair the way I'm going to flat twist or braid it. And today we're doing flat twist. And of course, I'm using my iFormit styling foam. And like I said, I'm doing flat twists in the back and crochets at the top. So yes, keep watching. So I just realized that it's been a while since I've posted a natural updo with crochet at the top. So yeah, and I like doing these styles because it's very low maintenance for the client. It is very workout friendly. And also, if you want to updo with, you know, the hair in the front, but your hair is not as full as you would like it, then adding crochets at the top is the perfect style to do. It still looks natural because your hair is either twisted or braided around the sides and the back, and then the top is just the crochet hair. So it's not a full head of crochet. I don't know why I was looking like that right there. But anywho, yeah, so this is, if you're looking for a low maintenance style, this style is perfect, and a style, like I said, that is workout friendly. So yeah, just wanted to come on and say that. All right, keep watching. All right, so I'm all done twisting, and I braided the top in a circle. And for all my crochet styles, I like to put some I grow growth oil on the scalp. Now the hair that I'm using is called Latched and Hooked Shake, Fluff and Go. This is my first time using this hair, and this is actually a black-owned company. This is the Mckenzie Collection, the 20-inch extra small curl. And this is what the curl looked like before putting it in. Now, I didn't record me putting it in because I've done quite a few crochet braid videos, and you know how to put in crochet braids. So I didn't think to record that part. But here is what I'm doing, just pinning the twist, even though you're not going to really see them in the back. But if she wanted to kind of push the hair up when it's down, she can. I also want to say that the hair that I put in, that Latched and Hooked hair, it was very soft. It was very easy to put in, and it's non-toxic. So you know how you get crochet hair and it has that flame retardant and other toxins on it because they've shipped it from overseas. It doesn't have that on it. It's non-toxic. So also, if that product on the hair makes your scalp itch, because I have a couple of clients that crochet hair does make their scalp itch, and they do the apple cider vinegar soap before putting them in. This hair, you wouldn't have to do that. Now the price point is a little more than regular crochet hair, but it's worth it, I think, if you don't want the toxins or whatever. So yeah. So after pinning her, and also had to make sure no pins were sticking her in the scalp, because that is the worst feeling, okay? So yeah, I want to make sure she's all good. And then I put her under the dryer for about 20 minutes with foam on the sides and back. And this is the finished look, you guys. So yeah, I'm coming to the end of the video. So if you like what you see, Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. Comment if you like this style or would try this style. Also, I would put the link to the hair in the description to their Instagram page. And also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at HERSTYLEZ with the Z15. And all right, folks, I will see you on the next one.